Alright, what is good? So I'm back with my first live trade for quite some time now. We're on gold 5 minute, and the reason that I've decided to, pick up a live trade is because we are trading futures. If you don't know, I'm a Forex trader. I've been funded on Forex firms for quite some time now, getting consistent payouts. But with, the addition of trading the 5 minute, futures are seeming to be a very, very good opportunity for us. So what I decided to do was get a quick Alpha Futures account. The reason I went with Alpha Futures is because I've been funded on Alpha Capital Group, which is like the Forex equivalent, for quite some time now, and I've been getting consistent payouts, so I trust them. Just got a 50k because I don't know, that seems to be what everyone goes for. I originally had it on Project X, but as soon as I passed it, it put me on Tradeovate, which was kind of annoying because I just figured out how it worked. And I got this like a week ago, passed it in like 2 days. These accounts are extremely easy to pass, especially with our strategy. It's looking just insanely convenient. And yeah, I'm currently on the qualified phase. This is like a real account. I don't know how I would lie, this is my only account on it. And yeah, this is actually my first trade on the qualified stage. So I'm pretty much just going to be running some tests here, see if they pay out, see how it, works, see if trading futures is nice. And so far, I must say, trading futures is nice. It's been very nice so far. I've had no real issues. I'm just figuring out, all the entries and stuff. One issue that I am having right this second is that I don't know how to set a TP once I'm in a trade. The other ones I did it before, but this one I just wanted to get in quick because I was actually late to this trade, which I'll explain in a second. But yeah, I didn't set a TP immediately, and no, I don't know how to. I thought I could right click it and go into modify order, but it doesn't seem very useful. So yeah, I've actually connected my Tradeovate to TradingView, which is very interesting. We've never properly traded on TradingView. That's just kind of where I do my analysis. But we're just looking to, see if this firm pays out. And then I might stack some, some fundeds on there. If you guys have any more information on this shit, because once again, I'm a Forex trader, then let me know. Should I be going with a different firm? Is there anything that I should be aware of? I'm pretty sure there's a consistency rule on the plan I'm with, which I kind of saw afterwards, which is unfortunate. But on the funded stage, on these like futures firms, you get like 4% drawdown, which is pretty crazy. And I'm pretty sure it trails as well. So say you're 4% in profit, your drawdown is now at break even, if that makes sense, which is quite weird. But with that being said, if I only have 4% drawdown, I'm just going to risk 0.5%, at least in the funded stage. If you're actually just getting the account, you can just risk 1%. These accounts are cheap as balls and very easy to pass. But when we're needing to get 3 wins to match the consistency rule, and we obviously take pretty high risk to reward trades, I'm just going to be safe, just quickly get a payout. It doesn't need to be anything big. I'm taking trades on my Forex accounts as normal, but yeah, I thought this was interesting. No one's ever seen me trade futures before. I've never seen me trade futures before. But I mean, in terms of it working with our strategy, we already know gold and NAS are like our best pairs. So it's just kind of a no-brainer to trade it on futures where we're not getting spreads. I've been doing some live back testing with the VIPs on oil here as well, which is, it's looking pretty decent to be fair. And this trade was taken with those VIPs. You can see I said exactly where I entered. It was at 145. It was at 145 where I actually entered. But yeah, I'm doing live streams, live trading, live back testing with the group 3 times a week. Everybody in there is learning at a very quick rate, which is actually really cool to see. And if you are interested in trading with us, then join the application below. It's literally free to apply, you might as well. And we'll see if you're a good fit for us. We're only looking for actually serious traders, so if you're not going to take it seriously, you won't be a good fit, because we're actually making traders profitable in there. But yeah, in terms of the setup itself here, it's looking really clean. Gold is generally going to be biased towards long positions because people invest in gold for a good reason, because it generally goes up. You can see we've been bullish for ages anyway. And in terms of where we just reached, we kind of came down to the bottom of nowhere, which isn't ideal, but we started making, bullish market structure, and that is all I'm really looking at. We broke these highs, and we failed at these lows and these lows. And we gave an entry on a really nice trade where we had a good level of liquidity in front of our zone. You can see we had a very nice zone right here, good level of liquidity in front of it. Actually looks nicer on my analysis charts, which is on FXCM right here. You can see we had 2 candle liquidity, and this is just really clean. It's just a really clean setup. If you don't know how to trade the strategy, I uploaded like a free full course video like a week ago, so you can go check that out. But yeah, man, the strategy's looking to be clean as fuck with futures. I'm not gonna lie. Whatever payout I get, it might be a few thousand. It's not gonna be anything crazy, but it'll be a good test to see which firms are good and kind of how the consistency rules work. But yeah, so far it's looking really good. Basically, the rule is that your biggest win can't be more than 40% of your total profits or something. So basically we need to take at least 3 winners, and our winners are all going to be 1-4s. So it's going to be very big payouts when we actually stack accounts, even if we're just risking 0.5%, because bro, I'm just excited to scale on futures, to be honest. If it actually does turn out to be solid, it's so much easier to scale with futures than it is with Forex, especially when you can pass accounts in one trade with our strategy. It's like we were made for it. But yeah, I'm just going to set my alert a little bit before this so I can actually come to the charts and close this, because I don't know how to set a TP. But yeah, we've got some really clean movement so far. I feel like I've yapped a lot during this, but that's fine. I just haven't done a live trade in a while. That's kind of a lie. I literally did a live trading with the group today, but that doesn't count. It's not for YouTube. Yeah, all the scalpers in there are taking this trade, of course. This is just a very clean setup, and I'm going to be taking this for a 1-4. Literally just either TP or stop loss from here. I'm not going break even. That's all it is. And I'll see you when this has hopefully moved a little bit more. So yeah, see you in a minute. All right, so quick little update here. We're moving pretty nicely. We did have a retracement come towards the break even, but once again, I'm holding TP or stop loss, so it doesn't really matter. There was some 245 news right here, but I mean, I saw no volume coming in, so didn't bother closing. Unless I have a reason to close, then I'm not going to, you feel me? I'm not just going to randomly close because of FOMO or getting scared of a trade reversing. Like even this candle right here, which is coming in with a lot of volume actually, it doesn't change anything. This is just going to be a small retracement to likely hit TP, because we know that overall, if we just kind of draw this out, we're in a bullish market. These retracements are expected. We don't expect price to just move in a straight line forever. So when we get these small retracements, we expect it to just maybe reach the low of this area and then continue upwards. And I guess I started recording at a great time, because this is giving a fantastic example of price retracing quite heavily. I mean, this is just retraced from where was a 2.8 RR all the way down to 0.6. That's just gone down 2 RR in about 30 seconds. But I'm not concerned, and I'm not going to change anything about my position. But yeah, just thought I'd give a little update here. Not moving my stop loss, not moving my take profit, just letting it run for now. But at this point, I'll probably just see when this is hit stop loss or take profit. So yeah, see you in a moment. All right, so this is actually not that long later, and we've just hit TP. This was a clean 1-4 off the original entry, and this just moved really nice, to be honest. Like I said, when we came down here, large retracement doesn't matter, TP or stop loss, because we know that we're overall in a bullish trend. So what are the chances that out of nowhere we just suddenly come down here? That doesn't look natural, does it? What looks natural is doing this. That's just a normal bullish trend, which we can see we are very clearly in right here. So you got to trust your original analysis, TP or stop loss. And if we go on to the actual chart right here, this is where obviously I entered and exited, you can see. And if we go onto my account, it was $880 profit. Not quite 1,000. I based my TP off of my original XAUUSD chart, because that's where I do my back tests. That's where I know it works really well. So just going to base it off where I have the most data. Now, I don't actually know how to see previous orders. Maybe if I come into Alpha Futures here, trade history. Here we go. Yeah, I'm going to blur this stuff, I guess. I don't know. This is the only trade that has been taken on this whole account. Just great profit, 1-4 hit. If we just do this consistently, which, I mean, so far, I think I have a 100% win rate since trading futures, which is pretty good. Well, that's very good. But I've only taken like a few trades so far. And yeah, I've just got to get used to actually trading, because once again, I didn't even have a TP set for that trade. I had to manually close because I got an alert. So got to get used to that. But this is also obviously very small profits, especially for a 1-4. The goal is to stack up these accounts. I'm just kind of testing out futures right now. I took this on my actual Forex account as well on Alpha Capital Group. That's where I'm actually making the profit, but I want to check that this is going to pay out. If not, I might have to move to top step, who knows. Let me know if you have any experience with this shit. But bro, I'm excited to stack these accounts on futures, I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna be fucking hype. But yeah, anyway, that's about it for this one. Thought it'd be interesting to show my first futures trade, at least on a qualified account, I guess. Make sure to apply below. Literally, we're making traders profitable in 2026. We're getting everybody 6 figures in funding, trust me, and it's completely free to apply. So you might as well see if you're a good fit. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.